All right, hello everyone. Time another again for another video. So we have here a Galaxy Tab A9. So it is one of the most cheapest tablet that Samsung has currently listed as of writing. So what we currently have here is the um, base model LTE. I mean which is the X115 from a model standpoint. So I believe it comes with about 4 gigs of memory and 64 gigs of storage, which is really the baseline tablet, I would say. And it's actually, when I say cheap and baseline, it cost about, like as you can see here, like I was able to get it for about 5,481 and 52 pesos off from Lazada. So I will leave some links down in the description about this. But yeah, no, this is something that I will have the family use, the kids and everyone that might need a quick search and would like a bigger screen versus their mobile phone. So this, let's open this package up here and let's all work and discover on how this tablet looks like. Again, like I'm not I'm not really exactly looking forward for any flagship specs here. Like I got my Tab S8 and as well as my Galaxy Z Fold 6. So as you can see here, this is the tab unit. I'll put that on the side here a bit. Um, in the box, manual, Samsung Care offers. Um, yeah, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and I think that's about it. That's one inside. And got the unit itself, so it got the the typical Samsung cover, cloth cover, which is really nice. And so you guys can see here, I got the dark gray color, very shiny, and very nice. So let's quickly turn this on, and then let's have a look at it. If I can find the on button. Yeah, there we go. Found it. Okay. Right. Samsung Galaxy. So again, like this is supposed to be a quick unboxing, nothing fancy. Um, yeah, we got the volume rocker, the power button, speakers, SIM slot at the bottom, USB-C, headphone jack. Yeah, well, that's about the quick physical run through. And yeah, well, I mean, screen seems very nice actually. So, but yeah, anyway, this is meant to be a quick unboxing video about the Galaxy Tab A9, and I'll leave it at it. I'll post a use review or an actual review use of this unit, probably after a few weeks, and that's all there is to it for today. All right, if you like this quick layout of videos, please feel free to hit like and subscribe.